To exploit XGi technology to the full, this is a procedure to follow for correct coffee grinder installation. Connect the power supply cable to the connector on the underside. Place the coffee grinder on the work surface so that it does not remain off balance. Make sure the 4 feet on the base of the machine are resting securely on the surface. Fill the coffee grinder hopper, following the procedure used for traditional coffee grinders. Make sure nothing can obstruct the areas of the machine dedicated to weight recording. The matte black cover on the base protects the weighing system. Clean the coffee grinder on a regular basis. Make sure that no dirt or foreign bodies remain between the matte black cover and the machine body, because this could affect the accuracy of the weights.